Yes. What's going on, guys? This has been aka Day Trading Addict, and I have another good video for you guys. Today, we are going to talk about advanced scalping, how to successfully make $900 a day from home. All right, so let's get the party started. Now, in this video, I'm going to go over how much money you need in your trading account to make $900 in one day. And I'm also going to go over advanced scalping. And when I say advanced scalping, I'm more talking about how to add on, because a lot of you guys see me live trade and you see me add on when I'm trading, and I basically want to go over the basics when it comes to add-on. So let's go over how much you need to actually make $900 a day first. So today I'm going to show you guys a live video of me making $900 in one day, okay, trading the NASDAQ 100, right? Now, when I'm trading the NASDAQ, I'm actually trading NASDAQ on a futures platform, but I also trade the stock market and the Forex market. So this will work in any market. So this is pretty much all futures platform. If you're trading the micros, you only need $100 per contract, okay? So in the live video you guys are going to watch, okay, later on in this video, you're gonna see me, trading 10 contracts. Now, 10 contracts times $100 is basically, guys, $1,000. So you only need, okay, $1,000 to make $900 in a day, or $1,000 in a day. Okay. Now, just because you can do that and they allow you to do that doesn't mean you should do that. Okay, we're going to talk about that later, but I'm just showing you guys the numbers right now. So $1,000, right? Now, in order to make that $900, okay, you going to have to go for a 2-to-1. Okay, so what do I mean? So let's say that you look for a trade, and let's say, for example, right here, you saw this nice pin bar right here, you got in the market, okay, and you're looking for 2 times your risk. So let's say you're risking this pin bar right here, right? And if you're risking this pin bar right here, we're looking for 2 times the risk. So let's say that this is 2 times the risk right here, okay? Now let's say that you're risking $450 on that trade. Guess what? $450 times 2 is what? $900. So that's how much you need to make $900 in one day, okay? You need around $1,000 in your trading account, and you're looking to risk $450 on one trade, and you're looking for 2 times your risk, right? So that's how you can actually get $900. But here's the thing, guys. If you have a small account, you do not want to risk that much, because if one trade goes bad, guess what? That's half of your account right there. So I'm just showing you guys the numbers because I get so many questions about how much you need. I'm showing you guys the numbers, okay? I'm showing you guys you don't need a lot of money to make a lot of money. But I'm also telling you guys, slow down, learn how to trade first, and trade small first, okay, before you try to go big. And then once you can build your account, all right, then you can go for, that $450 per trade. But when you are beginning, guys, you have to start small. But, I'm just showing you guys the numbers because most of you guys keep asking me, how much do I need? How much do I need? How much do I need? Well, that's it, right? So that's it when it comes to how much you need to make $900 in a day. Again, I'm gonna show you guys a live video, all right? And the reason why you can actually do that is because your broker gives you leverage, okay? And that's the power of leverage. And this is not just with trading. You can do this with anything, all right? This is nothing new. You will see a lot of successful millionaires and billionaires use other people's money to actually make more money. So that is what we are doing, okay? We're using the broker's money to make more money. Now, let's get into advanced scalping. Now, before we get into, the add-ons, please, guys, make sure you watch out for these fake YouTube accounts and fake Telegram accounts and Instagram accounts, okay? All of my information, my real information, is below my videos in the description, guys. So please check that out before you answer anybody. I don't message anyone talking about, here's my WhatsApp number. I don't contact you first. you contact me, all right? So let's go on. Now I'm going to go over the basics because when it comes to add-ons, I'm letting you guys know, if you're new to this game, please, I beg you, please do not add on, okay? This is not for you. I'm just showing you guys because I love, showing you guys what I do behind the scenes. And I love to, teach you guys so you guys can, step up your game eventually when you get to this level. But if you don't have a track record where you are making money for 6 months straight or at least a year straight, okay, it's actually better if it's a year straight. If you don't have a track record where, you're making profits for a year straight, do not do add-ons because you're going to blow your account, okay? Because you need proof, all right, to give you confidence to say, all right, now it's time to add on. Because if you add on and you do it the wrong way, you can actually blow up your account. So let's go talk about the add-ons, and I'm going to show you guys a basic way to add on, okay? So let's say the market is going up right here. So we got the market going up, right? And let's say that we want to get in right here, right? So we see a nice little, let's say we see a nice pin bar actually. So we see a nice pin bar right here, okay? And we want to get in, okay? So let's say we got in right here. Now, the market is going up a little bit, okay? And then it decides to pull back. So we have a red candle right here. It decides to pull back, okay? And also decides to pull back again. Now, if the market, okay, gives you another signal while you are in the trade, that is one way you can add on, okay? So let's say the market decides to give you another pin bar right here. So now you get 2 pin bars. So let's say that you entered right here at that pin bar, okay, and you're waiting for the market to, go up, and it pulled back a little bit, and then it gave you another pin bar. So that's 2 good signals, okay? And the market didn't go anywhere yet. So this is another good reason to add on. Now, let's say that you got in right here. You can add on another position right here. And since this add-on is very close to your entry, you can just make this as one trade. Let's say that your stop loss is somewhere around here, okay? And you can make this one trade. So if the market comes back to stop you out, you get out on both trades. Now, here's where you don't want to make it one trade. So let's say that the market goes up and it goes your way, right? No pulls back, and then it pulls back a little bit, okay? Pulls back a little bit, and then let's say that it gives you another nice pin bar right here, and you say, you know what, man, this looks really good. I want to get in that trade. Now, notice how this pin bar is far from your entry, okay? Now you actually want to make this a separate trade because now it's far away from your entry. Let's say that if you do make this one big trade, now your stop loss is big because let's say you enter right here. Now your stop loss is going to be all the way down, okay, here. So you probably don't want that. So the best thing to do is to make this a separate trade by itself. So let's say you got in, you put your stop loss right here. So you got one stop loss right there, and then you have another stop loss right here. Okay, I'm showing you guys a simple way to add on. There are so many ways to add on. I'm just giving you guys the simple way to add on, all right? A very simple way to add on, okay? And you're probably gonna do this when you first decide to add on, okay? A simple way to do this. So that's pretty much it when it comes to add-ons. So now let's go to the live video, and I'm gonna show you guys my add-ons and the reason why I took the trade, all right? So let's go. Okay, so this is pretty much where I decided to record, and I'm going to explain the trade right here and why I took the trade. Now, before I do that, notice how I'm actually down $5.50. And the reason why is because I got in early and I didn't realize it, and then I actually got out real quick. And I just, took a $5 loss, okay? Now, let me explain the trade real quick. Okay, so guys, with this trade, we had support right here, right? So we had support right there. And notice how the market is bouncing off support. And if you look at the bigger picture, we also have this nice, big triangle going on right here, okay? So we're bouncing off support. We have this big triangle going on right there. And also we have this little wedge right here, okay, going on right there. So when I saw that, automatically I'm looking at this as a potential breakout, okay? So I'm looking at this trade as a potential breakout. I'm saying to myself, you know, it looks like the market is probably going to break out since we bouncing off that support, and plus we are, you know, forming this nice consolidation. Most likely we're going to just break out and continue to go to the upside, right? So I saw this nice rejection right here, guys. This nice rejection right here, and then it, you know, shot back up. So when I saw that rejection and it broke out of that nice wedge, that's when I got in. Okay, so now let me show you guys the live video and the add-ons. So let's go. So again, right here is where I actually decided to record my screen, and I'm just waiting. Okay, the market broke out, and I'm just waiting, and I'm looking for maybe a reason to add. I don't see a reason right now, so let's fast forward this real quick. Okay, so this is where I decided to add some more, and the reason why is because we broke out of the wedge. Okay, and now I'm seeing the market holding that breakout, and we're going up a little bit more. So I added a couple of more contracts. So, you know, hopefully we can break above that, because that's what the market looks like is going to do right now. That's my thought process, and I'm just waiting. So right now we have this nice push to the upside. Let me fast forward this real quick. Okay, so now you see the market push up. Okay, we had a nice strong bar. Okay, so I'm thinking, you know what, this looks like a nice time to add some more, because the market looks very strong. It doesn't look like a weak breakout, so I decided to add some more. Unfortunately, I didn't catch the add-on because it happened so quick, so I didn't press record. So let's fast forward this. Okay, so right here, I'm looking to add on again. The reason why is because you see this bar right here. That's a nice looking bar. So I'm saying to myself, if this market is very strong, it shouldn't go below that bar right there. So I'm willing to risk that one bar. And this is where add-on could get, you know, really complex. And this is why I told you guys, don't do this if you're a beginner, okay? I'm doing this because I, you know, have experience, and I understand, you know, it's a possibility the market could go up, okay? So right here, I'm waiting for the market to basically give me my profits, and it's not, okay? It's bouncing off that, and I'm risking that bar. So that is a separate trade, and if I do get stopped out, it's only, you know, a small loss. So I'm gonna show you guys what happened next. Okay, so right here, the market basically stopped me out right there, and it's only a small loss. I'm only down $17 right now, and you know, it is what it is. But overall, the bigger picture, right? Everything still looks bullish. So I'm not, you know, worried about anything else right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fast forward this video and show you guys what happened next. Okay, so if you look at this right here, I'm about to get stopped out, and I just got stopped out right here. Look to the left, I'm actually down $54, which is nothing, because I understand the bigger picture. I understand I can make way more than $54. Now notice how I'm about to add on again, and the reason why I'm adding on is because if you look at this candle right here, you probably can't see it, but it has a gap. So the market loves to come back and fill gaps, okay? So that is the reason why I'm adding on. So right now I'm looking for any little thing to get me in the market so I can add on more, okay? Because I usually don't add on if I see a gap like that, but I really love this trade. Now notice how I just added on again because I see the candlestick going up. It looks like it's gonna turn green. So right now, everything's looking good, so I'm gonna fast forward this real quick. Okay, so right here, notice how I'm about to add on once again, and I'm adding on because we had this nice rejection right there, okay? The market filled that gap, and also we had this nice bullish bar right here. Everything's looking good. I like that bullish bar right there, and I'm adding again. And the reason why I'm adding, because I know exactly how much contracts I want to risk on this trade. So don't think I'm just adding on just because, all right? I know exactly how much contracts I want to risk on this trade. So everything's looking good. And the good thing about this add-on is if this add-on doesn't work and it goes back down, I'm going to get out right below that candle right there. So my risk is tiny, but my reward is big. So let me actually fast forward this real quick. Now, notice how the market's going up. It's going my way. Everything's looking good, but it's pulling back a little bit, okay? Now, when you're looking for a decent reward, you have to understand the market doesn't go straight up in a line or doesn't go straight down, okay? The market is going to pull back. So you have to understand, you have to deal with these pullbacks. So right now it's pulling back. Let me fast forward this and show you guys what happened next. Now, notice how the market is actually going back up. It's looking good. It's actually going to my profit target. And I don't like how it's looking right now, so I'm going to get out manually. And I just got out. If you look to the left, I'm actually up $954.50, okay? So guys and girls, that's how you can actually make $900 in a day, okay? Make sure that whenever you're risking, make sure it's 2x, okay? So if you're risking $450, make sure it's 2x so you can make your $900, all right? Now, again, you do not want to do this if you have a small account, because one loser can actually slash your account in half, and we don't want that. So I'm just showing you guys the numbers. I'm showing you guys what's possible, okay? But of course, be responsible, guys, and make sure you trade with a small amount, and also practice on demo, okay? So guys and girls, that's what I have for you guys today. I want to show you guys what I do behind the scenes. Now, I don't add on like this every single trade, okay? So I want you guys to know every single trade is not an add-on for me. It's usually when I like the trade and it's giving me opportunities to add, maybe I will add, okay? So that's it, guys and girls. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also join my free Telegram group, because I post charts like this and I also give you guys exclusive discount for my trading program. And if you don't have my trading program by now, guys, what are you waiting for? Make sure you pick that up, because it will help you become a full-time trader, and it will help you trade like this so you can take your trading to the next level, right? I have students all around the world that's making money. I have new students that's learning new techniques and new strategies, and they are loving it. So make sure you check that out, all right? And if you have any questions, make sure you comment below, because I try to answer all of you guys' questions. Thanks a lot for your time, and please have a great day.